Hi guys, so today is Friday, July 24th, 2026. So right now it is the London session of the day. So I'm gonna reviewing how gold is doing today. So as you can see that gold has been going up since Monday, but then yesterday there's a pretty significant sell-off. However, my thesis is still holding that I believe that gold would go higher from this time um, because of this reason. So first of all, if we see the trend line, the bearish trend line from here, from this pivot to this pivot to this pivot, as you can see that here, this is acting like a bearish trend line, and gold actually close has the daily candle close above this trend line, meaning that this trend line has been broken. As you can see that two daily candles close decisively above this trend line. So this pullback, although looking very scary at the moment, is actually supported by this thesis that it is breaking the trend line and then pulling back to retest it. So this is just like a retest of a broken trend line. And also, as we already talked about, that gold has been moving to test the previous strong multi-month support at around 39.40, around here, this level. So this level is acting like a magnet to a lot of big institutions or big banks or hedge funds. So they are placing a lot of big buy orders around this level. So they want to protect this level. So that is my thesis. And we'll see how it plays out in the coming weeks. But right now, so far, the thesis still holds at the moment. So that's it for gold. And if it were to go up, just like according to my thesis, it will first encounter this 4200, and then the next resistance would be 4380. But this immediate 4200 resistance is not as strong as the next one at 4380. But if it were to break the daily low at around 49.40, then it would first test the 48.80 level, and then going back to around 4700 level, around here. So that's it for gold, and moving on to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart, and Bitcoin is just struggling to break the 67K level. As you can see that here, Bitcoin is moving to just shy of the 67K level, but then immediately pulling back. And right now, I'm kind of neutral on Bitcoin, slightly negative for Bitcoin. Because for me, right now, the chance that Bitcoin going lower is higher than the chance of Bitcoin breaking above the 67K and moving higher. Because as long as it's holding here and not breaking the 67K, the chance of Bitcoin going lower, first breaking the 62K and then breaking the 58 or 57 and $700 level is higher. So we'll see how it plays out in the coming months. But Bitcoin is right now is likely to move sideways in the coming weeks, but it will struggle to break above the 67K level. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next session on Monday. Bye.